To find ETFs on Interactive Broker, start by logging into your account and navigating to the trading platform. Once you are logged in, click on the Market tab and then select the ETFs option from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you are looking for, or browse through the various categories and filters available. You can filter ETFs by asset class, sector, region, and more. For example, if you are looking for a technology ETF, you can select the technology sector from the filter options and browse through the available ETFs. You can also use the search bar to find a specific ETF, such as the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, by typing in its ticker symbol, VIT. Once you have found the ETF you are looking for, click on it to view its details, including its current price, trading volume, and performance charts. You can also view the ETF's holdings, expense ratio, and other relevant information. To add the ETF to your watchlist or to place a trade, click on the corresponding buttons. You can also set up alerts and notifications to stay up to date on the ETF's performance. It is essential to do your research and due diligence before investing in any ETF. Make sure to review the ETF's prospectus, expense ratio, and performance history before making a decision. Additionally, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance when selecting an ETF. It is also crucial to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of asset classes and sectors. By following these steps, you can easily find and invest in ETFs on Interactive Broker. Remember to always prioritize your investment goals and risk tolerance, and to do your research before making any investment decisions.